I just have this fucking moment, right?
Yep.
You do it.
Fuck it. Yeah.
Damn.
I hit the rock. That hurt.
You're not down here.
Yeah, no, really cold. One.
You had to hit the rock there. That was close to the You just jump off like 1 foot.
Go really slow.
That was a bit close, but...
Nice. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Fuck!
Nice. Oh.
Right onto the rock. Ow! Son of a bitch! 2, 1.
Oh, that was close.
Bro, I hit the bottom every time.
Yeah.
We're keeping this in like the rappel, by the way.
Okay.
I knew that would get him.